In today's video, I'll show you how to get paid per click, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. It doesn't require any specific skills and it is absolutely free and worldwide available so anyone can join. In order to learn how to make this strategy work, you just need to keep watching till the end of this video so you can get every step right. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to give this video a thumbs up and also to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a brand new strategy like this on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to come over to YouTube, and don't worry because you are not going to create or upload any video at all on here. What you need to do is to search for a tutorial type of video for a specific niche, a popular niche, whatever comes in your mind. It can be about weight loss, about fitness, about gaming, cooking, and so on and so forth. I went with the weight loss niche and I have written here how to lose weight. And it's giving me actually a lot of videos related to that, and what you need to do is to find some that are very popular, that have been used by a lot of people and that you think that is going to make people benefit from it and help them actually. So just open up one of them, and I've opened up this one here, and after that you just need to leave it like this because we are coming here later. So what you need to do right now is to proceed with the second platform for today, which is also the one that is going to pay us, and this is called Shirtfly. This is over at shirtfly.com. This is a place where you can shorten URLs and earn money. So this is similar to bit.ly.com where you can shorten URLs, but in difference to that, you're going to earn money. And you're going to do that because whenever you shorten a URL and start sharing it with people, people are going to be first redirected to a page with ads, and after that they can go to the main page. And like this, this platform is splitting the ad revenue with you, who is going to be the person that is going to shorten and share the URL. So what you can do over here to see some of the features that they offer, you're going to see that they offer the high CPM rate, which is like $21 per 1,000 of views. You're going to see they offer a referral bonus, which is 30% referral bonus, so you can refer friends and also people that want to make money online, and you can get paid again and again. You're going to see that you just need to create an account, shorten a link, and then you're going to earn money, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. But also I'm going to show you where you can find people that can click on your link so you can get paid per each click. So don't worry about that. You're going to see once again that they offer the highest rates. They offer a low minimum payout, which is like $5 in order for you to request a payment. They offer different payment methods, which include PayPal, and this is pretty cool actually. They offer Paytm, Payoneer, Bitcoin if you love cryptocurrency, bank transfer, and so on. Also, you're going to see that you can have daily payment frequency. You can withdraw your money anytime, any day. They also offer you a 24/7 dedicated support team. So something else worth mentioning is that Shirtfly is also available on Google Play Store and App Store, so you can download it on your iOS or Android device, and you can use it from your smartphone and make money from your smartphone actually. What I wanted to show is the payment proof, because they are very important to show that an app is actually legit and is going to get you paid. Here you're going to see people from all around the world getting paid through their preferred payment method every single hour and every single minute. They are making a lot of money actually, from just a couple of dollars even to hundreds of dollars, as you can see this person here. So you have the possibility to make like a lot of money here actually, and I'm going to show you a trick in order to make the most money, so stay tuned for that. Something else worth mentioning are the payout rates, which are here listed from the country. You're going to see that with views from Greenland, you're going to get paid $21 per 1,000 views. So you need to find people that are from Greenland in order to get paid $21 per 1,000 views. Then you have all of the other countries here, and the thing is that if you don't find your country in this list, you're going to see that it's a worldwide deal, all countries, which is like $3 per 1,000 views. So what you need to do, of course, is to click on the register button up here, so you can create an account for absolutely free and you can start shortening those URLs and making money. You need to put a username, an email address, a password, re-enter the password, then you need to confirm that you're not a robot by completing this CAPTCHA, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on the register button. And it's going to take you over to your dashboard. You're going to see that you can track your total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Right now it says $0, of course, because I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial, so I can show you exactly how you can make it work. So you're going to see over here that you have like referral. So if you click on it, you're going to get your referral link, so you can share it with people and you can get paid again and again. And also in passive income, you have here the withdraw button. If you click on it, it's going to take you over to this page where you need to click also on this button here, so you can put your payment information, you can choose your payment method, and you can get paid whenever you get clicks on your links. Also you have statistics, which is the dashboard, and also the most important button, your shorten link, when you're going to shorten the link and you're going to get it shortened and start sharing it with people. So as you may have guessed, of course, you're going to shorten the link of the YouTube video that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So this is a tutorial that is going to help people a lot, and what you need to do is to click on the share button, and then you're going to just copy the link of this video. After that, you're going over to the new shorten link button, just paste it right here, and then you need to click on shorten, and it's going to give you your shorten link. As you can see, just copy it in this button here, and now it's time for you to just go over and share it with people that are going to be interested in watching that video. And I'm going to show you a method where you can find people to click on it. What you can do is to go over to Google and search for weight loss forums, and it's going to give you a lot of them actually. You can just open them up and take part in those forums. And you can go over even to similar web, and you can search for the name of that forum, the name of that website, so you can see how many visits this platform has got. So you can see that if it's popular, if it got a lot of engagement, and you can target a lot of people actually which are going to be interesting, and they are going to click on your link, and you're going to make money again and again. And I also want to show you a tip. You can search for weight loss forums in Greenland, for example, because as we saw before, Greenland was the country that pays you the most, $21 per 1,000 views. So you can target specific countries actually to get paid the most money. You can just put the name of the country here. You can say that this video has helped you a lot, and it can help them also a lot in order to lose weight without dieting, for example. With all of that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to give a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel, Adrian and Mia's World, with notifications on. Thank you for watching.